making six figures with an online business have in common with a cake mix? Here's exactly what is in common. You don't go to the store to buy a cake mix because you want the cake mix. You go by the store to buy a cake mix to get the end result. You want to eat the cake. Imagine if in business you had your recipe for exactly how to make 10K in May, exactly every single ingredient that you needed to make 10K in May. And all you had to do is follow the directions and mix the ingredients. And if you could turn that ingredients into 10K in May, how would that feel? In May, I am literally walking you through the 10K recipe, how to make 10K in May with a fully automated online rejection-free business. This is where you don't gotta go find customers. You don't gotta go follow up with customers. You don't gotta friend request customers. I will show you an attraction marketing method that will attract customers to your automated online business. So that way you have more time and more income to do the things that you love. So if you are wanting more information about the 10K recipe and the blueprint that we follow, put ready in the comments because I would absolutely love to share with you.